I'm going to be taking you through my skincare routine before I apply makeup, and that includes these two products, the Glycolic Brightening Serum as well as the Dark Circle Corrector. So I'm starting off with freshly cleansed skin. The first thing I like to go in with is the Murad Environmental Shield Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum that has a dual chamber in here. Hopefully you can see. You can definitely tell by the bottom. It ensures that you get a fresh dose of vitamin C as well as glycolic acid, so they're nicely balanced. The serum is good for all skin types. I really like it because it's quite lightweight. I only take one pump. One pump is good for my entire face. I love glycolic acid. It's one of the most effective acids for my skin type, and I love vitamin C because it brightens everything up as well. And vitamin C has those evening properties, those protective properties, and those two ingredients create a dream team for me. This has been so effective. My number one takeaway from this product is that it evens out everything and it makes such a smooth canvas for makeup application. I adore it. Next I go in with the Murad Environmental Shield Vita C Eyes Dark Circle Corrector. I take one pump and I really work it under my eyes, and it also helps with my dark circles that I get from never sleeping. This is also very nice and lightweight. I find it to be hydrating but not overly hydrating, so it doesn't crease my concealers at all. It also has these micro minerals in there that help physically brighten the under eyes. Acts like a little skincare concealer